Katanat Arts and Culture jong ke sorkar jala hak si balang jong ke tayong kalabo yung mawnongrim na kabanta-bantay ya ke Tagore Cultural Complex ha Brookside Rilbong Shillong kabadai ke jaka kaba Rabindranath Tagore ula juan sakai hakisnem kiba menshua.
Ya uni mawnongrim labo do Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture ba poleng do kung kongsan ha kejing don rangkat lang UMLA ke South Shillong Constituency uba Sanbor Shulai u Commissioner Secretary Ketenat Arts and Culture uba FR Karkongor kidikot jong Rilbong Sports and Cultural Club bat kiwi-kiwi uba poleng do ulong bagadi gesi kebansakan mau ha kebakat surlong no banyo ke kompleks bat kani gesi kedai ru gesi kebakat sorkar MDA2 keladap sisnem bat kalong kum kejing ais ngobhai kinong buat bat gitu ke baiet yau Rabindranath Tagore ulong ba kanong ba Shillong kamdai tang kekerteng kajaka ne kanong ba ndrai ke slem jong kalariti bat kedai ru kasyap jong kejingnya cakamat jong emlang salang uba Sanbor Shulai uli itu baha kapor bula shimti kumu menteri ke sorkar jela hak arpnyo terik unaitung arhajar arpuwei ula sedang ban shimkya ban penio ke baha tengka ya ke project da ke belica Delhi bat menteri ke sorkar pedang uje Kishan Reddy ula baha bantai ya ke kompleks ha ke jenglun ke ban kot khatsau klor Sanbor pralak tengka bat Ketenat Arts and Culture kalayo shwa san klor tengka ban sedang no ya kakam.
And it is also a matter of pride that Shillong, with its small size, has given birth to so many classic works of art, books, music, poetry. When we make a mention of the legendary figures of the Bengali community, I'm delighted to share with you that it is not just Tagore who has visited and stayed in Shillong, but you also had Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. I do not know how many of you would know this, but a friend of mine happens to possess a vintage Jeep that was used to drive Netaji when he had come via Senhet to Shillong. And that vintage car is today located at Ansville, Upper Shillong. When we have a day like today, we celebrate the fact that life is not just about pursuing our careers, attending work. In fact, I'm delighted by the fact that we have a packed audience today, being a working day. It means that all of you have chosen to be here away from the call of duty, because deep down inside each one of us there lives a dreamer, a poet. As Sanbor has reminded us, this very complex houses a room that Tagore had used, and also a bed he had slept in. I am sure that the brook for which Brookside came to be called has also inspired him into lines of poetry and flights of his imagination.